Look no further than the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, aluminum wheels. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.